Stop. Bah. Oi. Mama muito tava né, só. Oi, mama tava. Já vai. Não tem que é.
Today at approximately 12:20, we got the message from villagers outside that there is a fire in Raman House, which is at the extreme right hand of the school on the eastern side. Based on the information, whatever resources we were having, all the fire equipments, all the staff along with the general employees, we rushed to the spot and we tried to douse the fire. Meanwhile, the fire department of the state government was also called up, and the fire was big in the sense it is a hutment sort of building. So the tin sheds and the wood, the structure which is on, was getting burned. In very fast time, the state government fire team has arrived on the spot and they started dousing the fire. Meanwhile, Assam Rifle also has sent the fire team and they also helped in dousing the fire. In this house, the cadets are staying, but none of the cadets has got any sort of injury. All are totally safe. That time, most of the cadets were in the academic block. Yes, the property has been damaged, which is the personal belonging of the cadets, which is their uniform, books and copies. Some we are able to recover, some after some time we'll go inside and see the damage. After that, we will be assessing in totality the damage which has happened.